Happy Monday, 10:36. Kagigising lang talaga namin and medyo late na. Nagising kami ng maaga, tapos yung mga bata tulog pa, edi bumalik ako ng tulog. Ngayon lang ako nagising ulit. I'm already preparing kasi punta kami ng Skaha Lake and we're gonna experience the lazy river. Yung kahapon na pinakita ko na yung mga tao nasa floaty lang, tapos sumabay lang sila ng agos sa yung sa river. Sabi ng website nila, prepare daw mga at least 2 hours daw na nagfo-float ka, and hopefully hindi naman ganun katagal, no? Siguro mag-base yan sa daloy ng river ba kung malakas o hindi. I'm just putting yung sunscreen natin. Maganda to siya guys, very light lang sa skin. Hindi siya masakit kapag pinapawisan ka tapos pupunta yung pawis mo sa mata mo. Hindi siya ganun kasakit. Yung dati kong gamit, yung La Roche-Posay ba yun? Yung basta yung isa na cream siya. Water-based din yun. Gusto ko din yun, pero ano lang masakit pag napunta sa mata. After ng Lazy River, I think we're gonna go for lunch. Wala pa kaming kain, wala pa kaming breakfast kasi nga late na kaming gumising. So let's go guys. Kasi kailangan ko pa mag-prepare ng gamit.
Ang short na ito.
Ano mag-cover?
Monkey King.
Asa man ang towel?
Oh.
Where's Dakuan?
No. I can do everything. So when I'm sleeping, no one's here. Just
Where is your clothes, Jacob? Is it? Uy,
it hurts.
is it?
It
Maybe
hurts.
we
You
need-
pray so hard.
Maybe because it's cold. What time you woke up this morning?
I forgot. I don't know.
Very early. Come here.
There's
Uy,
no
Jacob,
time.
Jacob, come here.
Oh,
Is it yayay?
I don't know. I mean, like the force of the spray. Thingy bobber.
Diha, come here, Diha. Where's your bracelet? Okay, let's go. Okay, I'm ready. We're going na guys. May ano na to. May swimsuit na ako sa loob. Let's go. Hey! Hala! Hey, Daddy. Kalo na di ay. Naghala eh.
Kala ni Mami.
Daming nakakalimutan ba? Yung kalo ko pala, yung hat. Ito, oh. May ganin ako gibilin diri isa ka buok. Yan yung hotel namin, oh. Klaro lang yan. Naghana na na po nangaligo, oh. Nag-floaties daddy na dito ay. Grabe yung tubig nila dito, eh. Unlimited. Yeah, subway na di na. Dili. I'm so full. Kanang magkuan ka, magbiyahe ka, di ka guto, di ka ka-feel og gutom. Even kuan na ka. It's due for feed. We're going to Skaha Lake na guys. It's gonna be 58 minutes. Guys, dito na kami.
Yeah. Then don't wear na lang yung top na. If you're
It's okay, I have a bag man.
No? This is here for air? Yeah, for this one.
May dala kaming sariling floaty guys. 3 to 4 person items and dollars. Oh.
Aman?
Tip pa. Lagi? Pwede butangan sa tubig? Kadako ba day ana eh? Ka-cute na nga kuha oy, murag higdaanan. Ah. Let's go. Ay na lang? Ay do. Sige. Ito na, dito na kami. Online. Abi na mo, may ticket pa, wala na. Diretso na lang pala. Ito na guys. Hala, nilupad na sila. Jacob so ready to go. Ni babay. Ni babay.
Yan na sila guys, kaso tinatamaan nila yung iba. Bunggo. Yan na. Bye, see you on the other side.
Whoa. Jacob. We're under the bridge. I wonder where's Daddy now.
Can I please transfer you, please?
Huh?
Can I please transfer you?
This can only accommodate one.
I don't want
Gusto niya magpalit kami. Gusto niya dito. Ha, Jay?
Please.
Okay, wait. Wait, baby. Diha, mahagbong ka, baby. What's going on? Wala ba kay life vest? May mga kasamahan kami.
Beaver Den? Oh yeah, I see it.
Wait, naku na beaver den. Oh, there! There! Beaver den. Oh. Nakita pa tag beaver den. You okay? Don't let go, anak, baby, ha?
Run.
You want your goggles?
This is a.
You want your goggles?
Yeah, yes, please.
Okay, come over. Yeah.
Put it in the watch.
Ambi na lang gabi. This one. Yeah, me too. Yeah, so you can go on with Jacob. You can help Jacob.
Let's take you a little fast.
Are you holding it?
I am.
Okay. Kuya, once ta.
You're not answering. Here you go.
Sorry. I'm gonna
Pangus.
swim back.
Good. There's no beard, so that's a good thing.
I'm swimming back, bro. I'm scared.
Okay. You're swimming with Ducky, oh, there. Hello, brains. Brains. I wanna swim.
Then you can swim with me, please.
Wait. Oh, hanggang dito lang, guys. Pero very strong yung current.
Is bro okay? Are you okay there, Jake? No, I'm fine.
I told you there's nothing. I can do it.
Uy,
Okay.
Jacob, ako sa ani lang gabi kasi I need to... Wala, daghan kay rocks. Oh, there's food. Ang cute. Hey, Jake. Say hi, Jake.
Yun na sila guys ay. Midpoint na sila, midpoint. Chill na chill. So cool. Di naman mo sotoyhan? Ha? Really? Are you good, Jake? Or you want to do it more?
No, I'm okay.
Okay. This is the midpoint. Midpoint. Okay. Ligpit na namin, guys. Yeah.
Dito na kami sa Happiness Thai. Akala namin pwede ditong kumain, mag-dine-in. Take out lang pala. Masarap daw to dito. Ang daming mga awards. Oh. Watermelon, please.
You want what? You want pearl, Diha? You want pearl?
Nami pa kayo ng kuan boba. Can I try the tapioca pearls?
Yeah.
Pero gagmay na, no?
I don't know. It's okay, just try.
This one tastes like Wendy's ice cream.
I think this one is, if not the best, one of the best taro slush I've ever tasted.
Masarap yung taro nila, no?
Just decided to try.
Yung akin sana is watermelon pero ni-recommend ng ano doon, ng staff doon na ito yung kunin daw namin. And it's good. It's good. I like it. Yung boba nila tamang-tama lang. Masarap. Malami ko na. Malami. Punta kami doon sa Tickleberry ice cream. Kasi nandito yung Rocky Road ice cream. Pero yun nga lang, minsan-minsan lang kung matsyempohan mo na merong ice cream. Dakuan ang lollipop ko eh. Jacob, you want this one? Jacob, that one. You're gonna... Daghana nilang choices, uy. Naapa sila for sure salted caramel. Naa sila katong kuan daddy, Rocky Road. They don't have Rocky Road.
Shark bite.
Ha?
Shark bite.
Shark bite.
You want to do this?
Where's the caramel fudge here? Where?
There.
Nara yung mga prices nila. Dakuan na. Wow,
I will
thank
eat
you. This is mommy's. Cheers. They're very generous with their scoop.
Grabe.
1 scoop lang to. Tapos yung Jacob, 2 scoops.
Sa Vancouver, guys, yung kay Jacob, parang 4 scoops.
Do you need some tissue, Jake?
Yeah.
So yung ito sa akin, ano to siya? Mocha almond fudge. Kang daddy, pistachio as always. Tapos yung Jacob, what's yours, Jake?
Metal ribbon fudge with the sea salt caramel.
So after nito guys, maybe we'll just buy cider para mamaya may inumin tayo dun sa veranda natin. And then groceries lang konti kasi wala kaming dalang chips. At least may cider natin, may partner. Apple cider mo ha? Oh. Nga po may mga lain-lain nga po anla. Lain-lain nga flavor. So mo rin nilari?
Get the sweet one.
Okay. Guys, nandito na kami sa Save On. Ha? Kani? Dili mo? Pringles. Yan, kana asa lang. Duha di ay. Asa na di? Kana, multigrain. Sige. Guys, finally, andito na kami sa hotel. So, ito yung nabili namin dun sa Unsa to yung name, Daddy? Little Happiness? Bumili na lang kami hanggang panggabi para hindi na kami lalabas mamaya. So, ito na yung food natin, guys. Thai fried rice, and then chicken strips, and then ito yung spicy chicken. Yung spiciness level niya is medium. Crispy tofu. Looks really good too. Spring rolls. And then this one is, ano ba yun? Pad crab pao. Yung prawns. And then, ito yung green curry. Mild din yung spiciness niya. Dalawang rye, it actually tatlo. So yeah, kain tayo guys. Ato ni i-move. Ma-move ba ni? Oh, namde siya ligid daddy. Oh. Cute ani. Portable pala to. Eh. Let's eat guys. Yung fried rice. Mm. Manan ko sa ilang fried rice because halang.
It's a lot of food.
This is our first meal for the day. And anong oras na? 5:14 in the afternoon. Ganon kay ko sa fried rice kay ma-feel ni mo ang halang gyud.
Thank you, bro, sa recommendation. What do you need?
I-try natin tong spicy chicken wings. In fairness, dami. Who needs some tissue? It's right here.
You have your tofu pa diya?
Another. Your crispy tofu.
What is Where's almond?
Almond?
It's good. It's good. Yeah. That pad thai.
Pad krapaw. Yung shrimp. This is good. Ito yung view namin, guys. Yung Osoyoos Lake. 10:04 p.m. guys. So unfortunately, hindi namin ma-open yung apple cider na binili kanina kasi wala kaming opener. So, wala. Yung nabili pala namin doon sa Save On guys is Viva, favorite ni Daddy. Pang ano natin, yung kasama sa cider. Yung sa loob niya guys, meron siyang crackers, pepperoni, marble cheese. Yan, sarap sana to. Tostitos, Lay's cheddar jalapeno. Tapos yung dip niya, eto, creamy spinach dip. Ang sarap nito guys, sobra. Favorite din to ni Jemel. Dalawang Pringles, sour cream. Arizona green tea. Thank you, Daddy. My fave. Kanina after naming kumain, natulog lang kami, nagnap. Kagigising lang namin, 10 p.m. So, paano tayo makakatulog nito? And I'm having Twinings tea. Sarap siya. Pwedeng hot or cold. So, yung pa si Mubuto na, Daddy, ha? Hala. Na-open niya, guys. Sa mukha.
Let's do it.
Tuloy ang ligaya, guys. Nabalik ang aking pepperoni snack tray. Itago naman ako ni. Okay. Ito na yung cider namin, guys.
No. Then,
Okay po.
like this.
Masarap.
Tamis ni siya. Imagine if it's dry.
Oh. Ooh, smells so good. So, wala yung Netflix, no? Dapat
Thank you, dear. Thank you so much. Your award is to try.
Wow.
there.
Oh, that's yours.
Oh, thank you.
I have a new.
Try.
Try slapping it.
Spinach dip.
Try getting hit. There. Here it is.
Hindi mo na hindi dapat i-add ang top 1.
There's, I have a launching glove and they can actually launch.
In fairness.
Where you go?
Broken leg.
Grenadier.
Oh, my God.
No, you try this one.
Keep going,
Oh, no.
I'm invincible.
I don't think it works. What does that do?
Uy, puro. Sabi na kumubite lang.
What's the difference with jump time?
Good.
It's passive.
Lami, no?
Let's
What are
eat.
you doing? Little